Hello, friends. In the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking about a topic related to personal finance, which is health insurance. In the pandemic times, everyone is very much cautious, rather worried about their family and the health related to the COVID, because it is such an uncertain disease that no one knows that what will happen. We were in very much comfortable situation, but few states like in Maharashtra and specifically in Vidarbha region, the new or you can say that second wave has come up, that patients are increasing every day, and that's why the again fear of COVID is there. When we say that COVID-19, it was a virus of 19, but entire 2020 we have been witnessing the COVID-19, and again it's 2021, but almost 2 months are over, and still if the second wave is coming up now, then it is an alarm that we should be enough covered with a health insurance. If we are not, then as it is such an uncertain disease that we don't know that what hospitals are going to charge us if we are getting admitted in a public hospitals or government hospitals, then no worry. But if we are choosing private hospitals, then the meter of the bill will go on like anything, and at that moment of time, if we are not covered enough, then that can be a disaster for a family. So COVID-19 still there, health insurance issues are still there. So if we are not covered yet, then we should get covered. We should buy health insurance, because if not now, then when? Because the bills are exorbitant and we should be equipped with the backup. So when we talk about the health insurance, we talked about the term insurance earlier. We were running a series of insurance itself. For any small and common investor, it is always important to be equipped with insurance, whether it is a term insurance or a health insurance, because whatever we are earning, whatever we are taking efforts, it is everything is for family. And when we are alive, when we are alive, and if some uncertainty comes up, like any disease, or if we need to get admitted, then we should be financially secured. So for that, health insurance is most vital thing. We will be talking about two factors related to the health insurance, and also we will be trying to correlate the health insurance thing, or we will be discussing the health insurance in the aspects or related to the COVID-19. So, the first terminology about which we will be discussing today is copay. What is copay? Let us say that 10% copay means, if in some case the insurer may choose to apply it to only non-network hospitals or hospitals outside the home city. One insurer company can say that my circle is this, and if the hospitals are beyond that circle, 10% copay you have to pay, or 10% copay clause will be there. That means 10% you have to pay whatever the claim settlement is there. Rest of the amount you can claim it to the insurer. So that is copay. And the second terminology about which we will be discussing is deductibles. It is mentioned earlier, it is a fixed amount to be paid at the time of claim. They will say that 20,000 you need to pay, whatever is the amount. 20,000 is the deductible that policyholder have to pay. So when we are talking about deductibles, nowadays, if the policyholder is claiming to an insurance company, that 3.6 lakh is the total amount of the bill in COVID times, then the companies are paying only 1.8 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. They are saying that PPE kits and masks and sanitizers which has been used in the treatment, these are the things which comes under consumables, and companies are not going to pay for the consumables. Even if there is a ward where 4 or 5 patients are there, doctor or nurse is coming with one PP and checking 3-4 patients at time, but still they will charge PPE cost, or each PPE for each patient. So this is a routine practice. Whether it is right or wrong, we will not discuss about it. But recently, IRDA come up with one guideline. They are saying that the insurer can no longer delay the hospitalization claim. This is a very important thing. They cannot deny, first of all, and they cannot even delay the hospitalization claims. Then they are saying that almost 13,000 crores of claims have been come. They means this much was the amount which has been claimed. Amongst 6,600 has been paid yet. They have given some regulations. They have given some rules that in case of if the GI Council red card says that cost at National Accreditation Board of hospitals and healthcare, NABH hospitals will be 10,000 per day, including PPE cost of 1200 rupees. Now, see, this is the most important thing each investor should know. If they are not getting this, then they should always they can always go to the IRDA, which is a regulator of insurance, and they can ask for it. And in case of non-NABH, what is NABH? We have recently seen 8,000 per day, which includes the PP cost again. And if someone is very much serious and he is in ICCU or ICU, then 18,000 is the amount. 15,000 for non-NABH hospitals, including PP cost of 2,000 rupees. So these are the rate cards. We need to always see that if the hospital is maintaining the rate card of local bodies and the NABH and everything, and if they are not paying, then we can always go to the IRDA. Let us come back to our two terminologies. The difference between deductible and copays. Copayment is a predefined amount which the policyholder has to pay each time he or she gets a particular type of healthcare service. We have seen it, we have discussed about it. And deductible is a fixed amount of money that the policyholder has to pay each year before his or her health insurance kicks in completely. So this is the difference between copayment and deductible. We are here with a series related to the insurance and insurance product. All these sessions are coming to you by BSA, PAF and SEBI. So don't forget to say them thanks, because they took this initiative. They want each a small and common investor to get empowered with the knowledge. And don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section. Also, if you want to know more about any other topic, then please do let us know. We will come back to you with that topic. And thank you very much. Stay tuned.